The equipment could be calibrated once we have it installed in the ATM through an RJ45 wire connected to a mobile device with a required application. Once the mobile is connected to the box, I select the port and then I'm ready to use the control software. This software allows to set the period of time after which the alarm will go off as soon as an object approaches or enters and remains there. We recommend that time to be set between 3 and 5 minutes. Once you set this time, and then you can review it. In parallel to this, we can do the same with the rest time. If the equipment detects a skimmer, an alarm goes off. When the thread is removed, the box will be reset in the time that we originally defined. We recommend that the rest time is set for 1 to 2 seconds. This reassembly time is inconsequential. We do not need the equipment to continue working, to keep on beeping or with the contact open once we have removed the thread. While we are connected through a wire to our equipment, we can calibrate the sensor number 1 with the antenna number 1 and calibrate the sensor 2 with the antenna number 2, that is the one that is introduced inside the card reader to detect the attacks of deep insert skimmer. In some cases, the main Ebrax box is installed inside the ATM's chamber box. This means that if we need to work with our kit in the ATM, for example, to change an antenna or to recalibrate the box, we will need someone to assist in opening the chamber box. This is often complicated, so you could leave the box installed inside the ATM's chamber box with a wire connection coming out from it. You could leave this wire available to later connect to your mobile phone when needed. If the box is installed outside the ATM chamber box, then we would not need to set the system. Calibration or recalibrate of the Ebrax box can be done with a sharp object in sensor 1 or in sensor 2. I would also like to mention that the box can be calibrated remotely by connecting the RJ45 wire to the alarm center and through an app order the equipment to be calibrated remotely. We have another option if we want to calibrate the box when it is placed inside the ATM's chamber box and our mobile phone, and software is not connected through an RJ45 wire to the chamber box. In this case, we can order the calibration through this small box that can be installed inside the ATM. This box is connected through a wire to this intervention system, and when we press the button, the calibration of COM1 is generated. The COM2 doesn't need to be recalibrated after the first time if we have the deep insert skimmer optical reader antenna. This happens because it works in a dark environment. It is internal and it does not require recalibration. In the case of antenna that goes to the bezel, if eventually we need to recalibrate it, we will use this remote box.